1994 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am 25th Anniversary Edition. Price: $26,500. Location: Ohio. Introducing a true American muscle icon, this 1994 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am 25th Anniversary Edition stands as a rare and highly desirable collector's piece. Built to commemorate 25 years of the legendary Trans Am name, this limited production model blends heritage-inspired styling with the performance and engineering of the fourth-generation F-body platform. With only 44,691 miles, this example remains in impressive condition and offers both nostalgia and driving excitement. The exterior is finished in its original factory bright white paint, complemented by the signature Tyrol blue center stripe that runs boldly from the front fascia across the hood and extends to the rear spoiler. This distinctive design is a tribute to the iconic 1969 Trans Am, while the aerodynamic GT body adds a modern touch with integrated fog lights, sculpted lines, and an aggressive rear spoiler that enhances both style and performance presence. Under the hood, you'll find the renowned 5.7-litre LT1 SFI V8 engine, delivering strong and responsive power. This engine, shared with the Corvette of the same era, is paired with a highly sought-after 6-speed manual transmission, offering a more engaging and authentic driving experience. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a limited slip differential, ensuring optimal traction and classic muscle car dynamics on the road. Step inside, and the cabin provides a comfortable yet sporty atmosphere. It features adjustable bucket seats, air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and power door locks for everyday usability. The audio system includes an AM or FM stereo with auto-reverse cassette, equalizer, steering wheel controls, and a premium 10-speaker setup, delivering a rich and nostalgic sound experience for every drive. Additional highlights include 16-inch white aluminum wheels wrapped in Goodyear tires, 4-wheel power disc brakes, pop-up headlights, and a quad exhaust system that gives the car its signature aggressive tone. The vehicle also comes with valuable documentation such as the owner's manual, a digital copy of the original window sticker, service records, and a clean Carfax report, adding to its authenticity and collector appeal. Out of approximately 2,000 units produced for this special 25th anniversary edition in 1994, only 128 were equipped with the 6-speed manual transmission. This makes this particular example exceptionally rare and highly collectible. Whether you are a serious collector or a driving enthusiast, this Trans Am represents a unique opportunity to own a significant piece of Pontiac's performance legacy.